He says, this is a talented
Right?
Congratulations
so much.
on everything. So, I mean, I can't think of a more incredible year that a person is. It's got to be kind of surreal, right?
It's been crazy. I'm like living somebody else's life. I swear.
And the only thing that's even better about it is you get to do it and share it with your brother and your family right here, right?
No one calls you Ferb, though, right?
Honestly, no. I would expect more people too, but we haven't had that.
We got to look at the fashion on both tonight. Looking dapper. And for you, was a gown ever in the mix for tonight, or we knew you were going to do something stylish?
I was just.
She's a rock star.
I was feeling this, you know.
Yeah.
This was the mood, and all the Chanel, you know.
Yes.
What I'm saying?
Oh, can I see the hands here?
Oh, yes,
Look
you
at
can.
this. What does that say? What does that say?
It says no. This is
No.
Chanel.
Oh, got it. Look at that.
Let's see the kicks.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Oh, you are comfy style. I like it. Oh, and my man's socks right there. I see ya. Those are on point right there. And you are performing, I believe, in the in memoriam section, correct?
Yes.
How do you feel about? I mean, here at the Academy Awards performing, it's got to be. It's a little different, right?
It's super different. It's like a whole crowd I'm not a part of. This like actors, but it's really cool because we grew up watching this, and like everybody watches movies, so it's crazy.
Is there anyone in particular that you're excited to see and maybe meet that you haven't yet?
We were just saying Shia LaBeouf. I love Shia LaBeouf. I've always loved him since Holes. Oh, I love Shia.
Finneas, who do
Steven
you
Stevens.
want?
Shia. So it's a double shot. We just watched like Peanut Butter Falcon on like Christmas Eve or Christmas. It was so good. So
Do you get nervous for something like tonight? I mean, that's a big honor.
More excited and like only excited nerves. You know what I'm saying? Like not like, oh, I don't want to do it nerves. More just like, hell yeah, like let's go.
And by the way, congratulations, because on my radio show we made it that you guys are doing the Bond theme, which is so awesome, and you're writing it too, right?
we wrote it.
Is it done already? Did you do it?
Yeah,
Yeah, we finished
we're
it.
done.
We finished
Can
it.
you give us a little tease of
Hell
what?
no!
not the singing. No, I'm saying of what to expect. Like, is it more of a ballad? Is it a little faster?
I guess it's a
I think so,
ballad.
too. It'll be in the movie.
Ah, okay.
And coming off the Grammys, what did you do to celebrate? I mean, what an incredible night.
Right?
You swept it.
It was surreal. I went to a party and then another party.
Yeah.
And then another one. It was great.
As you should.
Keep shining
Keep
bright.
that victory lap.